What's up, everyone? My name is Ninad and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company, and I'm also a student of the Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. In today's video, we're learning a bit about illegal immigration in India and its consequences. So let's get started. Now, India is one of the biggest countries on the planet, both in terms of physical geography and demography. It is also one of the most prominent and fastest growing economies of the world. Now, hence, it is no surprise that a lot of people look towards India as the land of opportunity that it is. Sadly, a significant section of this populace comes from the third world countries with a devastated state of economic affairs. Hence, they seldom have enough financial resources to facilitate legal migration to our country. Hence, either by choice or by lack of choice, whichever the case may be, these people proceed to migrate to India through illegal means. Now, illegal migration, both in terms of emigration and immigration, refers to an inter-country movement of people not in accordance with the national laws and regulations. On the same lines, an illegal migrant is a person who crosses an international boundary without any valid documents, enters into another country for the purpose of carrying out any illegal or antisocial activities in that country, or just for economic or political purposes. A similar definition has also been given in Section 2B of the Citizenship Act of 1955. In recent years, it has become a problem of growing scale in many countries. India itself has been dealing with a lot of influx regarding migration from its neighboring countries, especially Bangladesh. The primary reason for the same is the desire of these immigrants to have a better living standard and better employment opportunities. Bangladesh has a very high population density of 964 people per square kilometer of area. Due to such uncontrolled growth of population, the country is now in a serious crisis for living space. Aiding to the same, the frequency of natural disasters such as floods and cyclones is quite high in Bangladesh. As a consequence, a large number of people are continually displaced, and these people are then bound to move towards the neighboring countries like India in search of better living conditions. Another important factor is the religious imbalance in Bangladesh. Although a majority of the illegal immigrants coming from Bangladesh to India are from the Muslim community, a large number of Hindu Bangladeshis have also been known to migrate to various parts of India. This is a result of continued persecution of these minorities in Bangladesh, and they find it simpler to just simply move or migrate towards other places instead of facing these atrocities. Among other more controversial factors are instances of different forms of help extended to illegal immigrants by certain political groups in India as part of their vote bank policies, and also there are instances of help extended to such immigrants by antisocial elements of the society in relation to secret planning of future expansion of territory in the country, along with an ever growing presence of a pro Bangladeshi lobby in the country as well. All of this is to be considered a severe problem for a variety of reasons. According to the Group of Ministers report on national security, which was made public on 23rd May 2001, illegal migration has resulted in a host of destabilizing political, social, economic, ethnic, as well as communal tensions. Politically, the Bangladeshi migrants are in a position to influence results of elections of large number of constituencies in the northeast. Economically, increased pressure on land, the related resources, result in a depletion of the forest wealth, undercutting of wages, of unskilled jobs, forcible occupation of government land by these migrants, and a host of other such issues. Now, the GOM, that is the Group of Ministers report, also observed that the illegal migration of Bangladeshis has led to a demographic upheaval and generated serious communal, political, socio-economic tensions and conflicts in several areas all over the northeast and has created ripple effects all over the region. Even the Supreme Court of India has expressed concern over the problem of illegal migration from Bangladesh. During the last week of February 2001, while hearing a public interest petition, the court observed that the Bangladeshi migrants are eating away into the economy of the country and to a large extent have become a security threat. In the same lines, it has also been observed that there are many Islamic fundamentalist training camps at places near Bangladesh border where members of the militant outfits receive training for using various types of weapons for the means of terrorism. On successful completion of the training, these well-trained members enter India in the form of illegal migrants for creating all sorts of disturbances and violent terrorist activities throughout the country. Hence, it can be seen clearly that illegal immigration is a matter of grave concern in all aspects of the security when it comes to India. The problem is ceaselessly growing day by day, and it is really a matter that should be given its due recognition. A significant amount of groundwork is definitely to be done in order to eradicate this threat from the very grassroots level. But this task needs to be exercised with extreme caution and vigilance so as to not prejudice any community of their right to reside in a country, albeit legally. The central government has definitely put out the CA, that is the Citizenship Amendment Act, but it still needs to display a strong sense of will and action to actually save the country and go through with the measures appropriately and Otherwise, the situation will end up completely destroying the political, economic, and the social stability of not only the northeast or the eastern part of our country, but the whole of the country as one unit. Now that is all for the video. If you learned something from it, do like, share, and subscribe. Do definitely comment down below any opinions or questions you might have regarding the video. It helps us out a lot. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good one.